Ricky in Illinois. Will the temple in Jerusalem be rebuilt before Jesus comes back? No, it's not required that the temple be rebuilt before Jesus returns at the second advent. And you know, the temple that Jesus was talking about in Matthew chapter 26, verse 61, where he said that if you tear down this temple and I will rebuild it in 3 days, was his own body. You see, they crucified him on the cross. They tore down the temple, in other words, his body. They put it in a tomb for 3 days, but then, praise God, he resurrected from the dead. The temple was rebuilt in 3 days. And the people who overheard him say that, a couple of them took that and used it against him, talking to the powers that be in the temple at the time. Beatrice in